Discover how gratitude can transform corporate environments, boosting morale, fostering teamwork, and driving success. Hi everyone, welcome back to Corporate Chaoos. What if the key to a happier, more successful workplace was as simple as showing gratitude? Imagine a team motivated not just by deadlines, but by genuine acknowledgement of their efforts. Gratitude is more than politeness. It's a powerful catalyst for positivity, productivity, and stronger workplace relationships. In corporate settings, gratitude is often underestimated. Yet studies show employees who feel valued are more engaged, efficient, and loyal. They thrive in environments where their contributions are appreciated. Gratitude isn't about grand gestures. It's the small, everyday acknowledgments that have the most lasting impact. A simple, great job, a handwritten note, or a quick shout-out in a meeting can uplift morale and motivate employees to go the extra mile. These minor expressions of appreciation foster connections. They nurture a sense of belonging, turning employees into highly invested contributors. Over time, these small acts build a workplace culture that is resilient, cohesive, and driven by a shared sense of purpose. Ever notice how a little appreciation brings people together? Gratitude strengthens workplace bonds, which leads to better collaboration and teamwork. When employees feel recognized, they are more inclined to support one another and tackle challenges with a shared mindset. Grateful teams are also more creative and adaptive. The positivity stemming from gratitude frees up mental energy, enabling team members to innovate and problem-solve more effectively. Mutual respect formed through gratitude cultivates synergy, even in high-pressure situations. Gratitude in corporate settings isn't just a nice idea, it's science-backed. Regular expressions of appreciation can reduce anxiety and burnout while boosting motivation and performance. Studies have found that gratitude is directly linked to lower stress levels and higher job satisfaction among employees. Beyond personal benefits, gratitude drives organizational growth. Engaged, happy employees take pride in their work and deliver better customer service, leading to increased customer loyalty and business reputation. Gratitude truly benefits everyone in the value chain. Gratitude doesn't need to disrupt busy schedules. Team leaders and employees can integrate it seamlessly into daily workflows. Start team meetings with quick acknowledgments, where everyone shares something positive about a colleague or recent success. These moments of positivity set a constructive tone. Create recognition opportunities tailored to your team. For example, implement peer-nominated awards or dedicate a few minutes of one-on-one check-ins to acknowledge individual achievements. A culture of gratitude doesn't happen overnight, but through consistent, meaningful actions. Leaders lead the way when it comes to gratitude. A manager who says "thank you" sets an example that ripples through the team. Prioritizing recognition, whether for meeting tight deadlines or tackling complex projects, fosters trust and loyalty in the workplace. When leaders consistently express appreciation, they inspire others to do the same. This trickle-down effect builds a workplace where gratitude is the norm rather than the exception. Over time, leadership-driven gratitude becomes a cornerstone of a thriving organizational culture. Some may hesitate to express gratitude, worrying it could be misinterpreted as favoritism or excessive. But gratitude doesn't mean showering praise without cause. It's about recognizing genuine effort and meaningful contributions. Being specific makes appreciation sincere and impactful. Others believe gratitude might dilute professional feedback. In reality, it's the opposite. Gratitude fosters an environment where employees are more receptive to constructive criticism because they feel valued. When balanced properly, appreciation complements honesty, creating a more open and productive team dynamic. Successful organizations offer powerful examples of gratitude in action. Some companies celebrate Thank You Thursdays, where employees recognize their peers' hard work. Others hold gratitude-focused team retreats designed to strengthen bonds and realign the team's purpose. Even simple initiatives, like publicly displayed gratitude boards or monthly leader shoutouts, make a difference. These initiatives reinforce appreciation as part of company DNA. Such efforts cost little, but deliver lasting returns in morale and productivity. Gratitude spreads naturally. When you thank a colleague, they're more likely to extend appreciation to someone else, creating a rippling effect throughout the organization. This widespread positivity fosters inclusiveness, making everyone feel supported and valued. Those who practice gratitude also report higher personal satisfaction. By building a culture of appreciation, your workplace creates not only professional success, but also emotional well-being for its employees. The ripple effect of gratitude is transformative at every level. So, how can you bring gratitude into your team? Start by reflecting on recent moments when someone supported your success. Then express your thanks. Make gratitude a daily habit, no matter how small. Whether it's a verbal acknowledgement, an email, or a post-it note, your words matter. Encourage gratitude among peers by actively celebrating wins during team meetings. Take inspiration from others to create moments of appreciation unique to your workplace. Gratitude thrives when it's made a shared responsibility. Imagine a workplace where every effort is noticed and every challenge is acknowledged as a shared win. Gratitude has the power to bring about this transformation. By fostering appreciation, you'll not only improve team performance, but also create an environment where people feel happier and fulfilled. Take action today. Make gratitude a priority in your daily interactions. Whether you're recognizing a small accomplishment or a major milestone, every act of gratitude counts. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more such tips. And hey, let me know in the comments, how do you show gratitude at work?